Hey guys, in this video, we're going to determine what is the best CRM software in 2025 for agencies. As you can see, I put out a list here where we're going to be able to determine in a tier list what is the best CRM software in 2025 for agencies. So let's dive into it with software number one, which is Hubspot. All right, so if you are an agency, Hubspot is probably not a good fit for you. The thing with HubSpot is that it's a marketing CRM, and most agencies, what they need is a sales CRM to nurture leads and close deals. And so HubSpot historically was destined to SMBs, including agencies. But the thing is, these days, they're very much like going after enterprise accounts. It's very expensive. We know many agencies that are churning from HubSpot, and so for that main reason, when it comes to HubSpot, I would say that HubSpot for agencies is more in the D category. It's not very adaptable for agencies. So I'm going to go with D for HubSpot. When it comes to Salesforce now, is it Salesforce a good CRM for agencies in 2025? The answer is also a hard no. I would say that Salesforce is like by definition the biggest CRM in the world, but also the biggest CRM for enterprises. And so if you are an agency, most of the time, if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you don't have like thousands of hundreds of employees. And so in that case, Salesforce is not a fit for you because it's very complex. You're going to need a CRM integrator, and Salesforce costs about $15,000 a year minimum. I mean, there's many plans, but it's very complex when it comes to the purchasing experience. So Salesforce, I would go with a D as well. Now, let's move on to other solutions that people tend to like when you are an agency is like Notion or Airtable. The thing with Notion and Airtable is that there are no code tools where you can pretty much do anything. And that means that, yes, you can build a CRM in Notion and inside Airtable, but it's like building a CRM in Google Spreadsheets. Like you can have like a system of records and pushing leads in that. But if you're really serious, like beyond 20 leads, 100 leads, like Notion and Airtable, Google Spreadsheets will not be a good fit for your business, for your agency. But still, I think it's a very good solution when you don't have money because Notion and Airtable, they're free softwares. So still, you can build a decent CRM using it. And for that reason, I will put Notion and Airtable in the C category. Okay, now move on to like I would say like minimum the good CRMs for agencies. So let's start with like Close.io. So Close.io is a pretty good CRM. Initially, it was destined for startups. This is how they essentially started. But along the way, they really focus on SMBs in general. And one of the most particular features of Close is that if you're into calling, so cold calling, but also warm calling, calling in general, I would say that Close is arguably the best CRM right now in 2025, at least early 2025, to use if you are an agency. When it comes to the pricing, you can see that it starts at 49 monthly. It starts at 59 dollars per month, billed monthly. You have tons of features, but really, if you want to leverage Close and the automation features, which is to me like the biggest part of Close, if you really want to build a strong sales process as an agency, I would go for the professional plan. So depending on where you are in your business, it might be pretty expensive. And for all these reasons, I would put Close for an agency. I'm between A and B actually. I would put it in A because it's a very, very strong CRM historically, even like as an old CRM, but also in the new wave of CRMs that are coming, Close is still a very, very good CRM. Now we're going to move on to Copper CRM, which is used by many, many agencies and also consultants all over the world. And so with Copper, it's very different because they have a unique positioning, a unique angle where essentially the play here is that it's a CRM for Google Power user, especially Google Workspace Power user. And so they have very, very deep integrations with Gmail and Google Workspace environment in general. As you can see, the pricing can start as little as $12 per month per user, which is very, very affordable. But the problem with that is that if you're an agency that is active beyond the Google Workspace environment, that you use Outlook or you have an SMTP provider for your emails, or LinkedIn is important for your business, Copper is not that much of a good fit in these cases. So for that specific reason, I will move Copper to B. Then let's go in the final four. The final four, we have first Pipedrive. So Pipedrive is the favorite, the easy darling in SMBs for CRMs. It's like pretty much the go-to that people have in mind usually, because Pipedrive historically they've been there since 2010, sorry, and essentially the pricing is very affordable. First, as you can see, monthly it starts at 25 euros, $25 per month. But the thing is, if you really want to leverage Pipedrive, to be fair, you should at least be on the professional plans. So it's minimum like 65 euros, $69 per month. And the thing with that is like Pipedrive is pretty much the same as HubSpot and Salesforce, but um, like they want to go up market, like they started with SMBs. Now they really want to have like these big companies paying $100,000 per year on an annual contract with them. And so because of that, like Pipedrive is a very complex product, and you won't be able to do it won't be able to onboard yourself on the software. And this is why you have so many agencies trying Pipedrive, and after a month or two in Pipedrive with the teams, sales teams, they pretty much give up on Pipedrive, to be fair. So for that reason, I would put Pipedrive in the B category. But still, I'm hesitant to put it in the A category, because depending on the agency and depending on if you can have like dedicated person to set up Pipedrive or a CRM integrator, Pipedrive can still be a pretty good option. Then we have like Breakcold. So Breakcold here, it's a sales CRM for LinkedIn and email power user. And so the main thing about this is that it's one of the, if not the most recent sales CRM in the market. Already like plenty of hundred of paying customers. And the really cool thing about this is that within the CRM, you can engage your leads not only via email but also on socials. You can aggregate the LinkedIn posts of your different prospect and just like engaging with them to stay top of mind, to do a passive aggressive follow-up. But not only that, you can aggregate all your email and LinkedIn conversations in one place super automatically. And as you can see, like the cool thing about that is that everything is auto sync. So auto sync of email conversations, auto sync of LinkedIn conversations. And you can manage everything in the CRM, like chatting with someone, using what you see on the right to come up with something relevant in the DMs, and just engaging with the prospect at the same time as you speak with them, so that pretty much your time to reply will be much faster. Breakcold is also very cool when it comes to analytics. So you can build your own dashboards without having to be like a CRM, a pro CRM integrator. And so from there, you can like build the blocks you want in a very, very easy way, which in most CRMs, to be fair, you have to be a CRM integrator, a CRM pro. So yeah, all of that, including the lead scoring system of Breakcold, makes it a very good CRM. And when it comes to the pricing, it starts as little as $29 per month. You can do pretty much everything in that plan. And if you have a team, most teams, they will go for the $59 per month plan. So for all of these reasons, because Breakcold is churning, so getting people from Pipedrive, from Close, and all these other CRMs, I would put Breakcold in the S category. But I know you're watching this video and you think that Breakcold is in the S category because it's my product. I will put another product in the S category, so bear with me here. So first we're going to talk about like Attio. So if you're more into data as an agency, so Attio is a very new CRM as well that is killing it. But the thing is with Attio is that it's mostly destined to startups that are dealing with a high volume of leads, a high volume of data that needs tons of integrations like Segment and other softwares that you don't know what it's all about because you're an agency and it's not really fit for you. So depending on your approach, like Attio can actually be very complicated because Attio is going after Salesforce and HubSpot's lunch. And so because of that, they are going after enterprise customers at the end of the day. So still, it's a very fantastic sales CRM. If you want to use it as a sales CRM, it can be used as a marketing CRM in a way. So for all that reason, I will put Attio in the A category. And now we have the last CRM there, that is Go High Level. So is Go High Level a very good CRM for 2025 CRM software? So the thing with Go High Level is that if you're an agency, it's almost the paradise. What I mean by this is that it can replace so many softwares beyond just CRM softwares. So if you need like MailChimp, it's inside Go High Level. If you need something that is like ClickUp, it's in Go High Level. If you need like a payment system like Stripe, it's in Go High Level. So essentially like Go High Level is like this gigantic beast where you can have everything inside of it and you can just live in Go High Level and do everything. And so on paper, it's actually a very good CRM that is plebiscited by many thousands of companies. But the first thing is the pricing is pretty high, but still, you have all the softwares combined into one thing. So it's like 29.7 dollars per month, which $20.97 per month, which actually sounds a lot, but it's not very a lot when you think about it. But the problem with like Go High Level is that most agencies are not fit to be a Go High Level customers. So the companies that use Go High Level heavily are not B2B companies most of the time. They tend to sell to, it's more like B2B, B2C. So it could be like doctors or lead generation agencies that is generating leads for doctors, gym owners, whatever. But so depending on if you're heavy on Facebook ads and all this kind of stuff, like Go High Level can be a very good fit. So to me, it's also a very strong CRM as well. And for that, I will put it in the S category. But bear in mind that if you are heavy on B2B clients, especially your B2B clients are heavy on LinkedIn and email, then in that case, Breakcold will be the better choice here. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments if you have specific questions to understand what is the best CRM for you. I will be happy to reply to it. And yeah, subscribe to that YouTube channel. Talk to you soon. Bye.